In respect of the vet's bills, and this is terribly important, and I make it very clear, despite what you think being the best thing to do was, you were not and are not the legal owner of either Henry or Ruby. You were the custodian of those animals at that time. You were not entitled to treat those dogs as your own and to therefore conduct unnecessary surgical procedures. And unnecessary means surgical procedures that weren't absolutely required to ensure that the dogs were not at risk. You were not entitled, without permission, I'm afraid, to have the dog neutered. So to that end, you're only entitled to the bill as it relates to Henry's teeth. And that amount is £728 and a penny, according to the bill that you've provided me with. In respect of food, I acknowledge, and Julie acknowledges, that you did spend some money for food, and I suspect you need a lot of money for food, bearing in mind how many animals you've got. The award to you, Kay, adding together the food for £52.50, which you've spent, and for the necessary vet's bills to protect Henry, is for £780.51. Kay, I know you love this dog. I know Henry has become part of your life. And I know you've got a very strong view about the care and protection of animals. And I know they become part of your very close family. But Julie loves this animal too. Julie, from everything I've heard, has been a fair, decent and responsible owner. You should give Henry back. He's here today. You've heard the award of this court. It's time Henry was returned to his lawful owner.
Kay was awarded £780.51p of her original claim. Let's find out how both parties feel about the judge's ruling.
The lump in his groin was one of his testicles. So I had it taken out. While I had it taken out, I had it castrated as well. It's not unreasonable.
At what point did the vet say to you, this dog absolutely has to be neutered?
He didn't.
He did not.
All right, he had treatment while he was with you, and I appreciate the care, but there was no need for him to have any other treatment because of how you feel about things. You chose to have this treatment done. You didn't need to.
Kay, I know you love this dog, but Julie loves this animal too. You should give Henry back. He's here today.
Why did you keep Henry? Why did you keep
didn't
Henry?
even ask how he was.
No, it doesn't matter about him. Tell me why you've kept Henry for then. Why have you kept Henry?
Because I don't think you're fit to have him.
Right? No?
No, I'm not giving Henry back. He's cost me all this money. I'm keeping him. I'm keeping him because I like him, not for any other reason. He's a nice little dog and he deserves better.